Making fused glass earrings with a microwave kiln, you do this by starting off with cutting glass by either using a glass cutter or a ring saw. Use a stencil to draw out the pattern with the permanent marker, and then I used my Taurus 3 ring saw to cut the outside of the black line. Next, I use my inline grinder to smooth out the edges. In the description box below, I will list a comprehensive list of all the items that I used. I use a stencil to draw out the pattern with the permanent marker. Using a glass cutter, I score a line close to the permanent marker outline. I break apart the glass using my running pliers. And here I'm using my grocer pliers. Next, I use my inline grinder to smooth out the edges. Clean the glass with regular glass cleaner and rubbing alcohol. Place the prepared glass in a microwave kiln to undergo fire polishing process. The fusing time does vary depending on the microwave kiln you have as well as the microwave voltage. After you fuse it, I then go ahead and let it cool off before touching it. Wearing my safety glasses, I then go ahead and prepare to drill the holes into the glass. I use a permanent marker to mark the area where I'm going to be drilling a hole in. I'm drilling a hole to use a pinch bezel to make these into earrings. I use a basic drill. I got my drill set from Harbor Freight. I used the diamond bit flat tip that comes with it. The secret is to start drilling sideways and then gradually move straight up and down. I finalized the piece with a pinch bezel that has an earring hook attached to it. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and it brought you some insight and inspiration. And until next time, stay blissful.